Holy
yes! Yes! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it!
Woo!
Woo!
If we die here, I love the both of you.
I love you guys!
Up.
This is awesome!
I know.
I love this ride.
Want to do this again? Yes!
I love you guys!
Without the Rubik's Cube. Try and flip, try and flip. I can't, I'm too busy holding the camera.
I want the high spot. High spot.
It's gonna go backwards. Wait, what, how do you do?
High spot. Oh my god, we're switching direction?
Ho, 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 ho! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Don't drop it, don't drop it. Recording, go! Go, Vandal! Welcome to another episode of Rubik's Cube Mastery! Go, Vandal!
Yeah, Randall!
What? It's not over already.